The Hero HF Deluxe is a popular motorcycle known for its affordability, reliability, and impressive fuel efficiency, making it a preferred choice for commuters in India and beyond. Manufactured by Hero MotoCorp, one of the leading two-wheeler manufacturers in the world, the HF Deluxe is designed to cater to the needs of budget-conscious buyers seeking a dependable mode of transport. One of the key highlights of the HF Deluxe is its efficient engine. Powered by a 97.2cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, it delivers a maximum power output of 8.02 PS and a peak torque of 8.05 Nm. This ensures smooth and consistent performance on both urban roads and rural terrains. The engine is equipped with Hero's advanced i3S idle start-stop system technology, which enhances fuel efficiency by automatically turning off the engine during idling and restarting it with a simple clutch engagement. The HF Deluxe boasts a sturdy and durable frame, complemented by an ergonomic design that ensures a comfortable ride. The bike's seating position and well-cushioned seat make it ideal for long commutes. The telescopic front suspension and hydraulic rear shock absorbers provide a smooth ride even on uneven roads, making it a versatile option for various road conditions. In terms of aesthetics, the HF Deluxe features a sleek and contemporary design with attractive graphics, which appeals to riders of all age groups. The bike comes in multiple vibrant color options, allowing buyers to choose a variant that suits their style. The bright halogen headlamp and clear lens indicators ensure excellent visibility, enhancing safety during night rides. The HF Deluxe is equipped with practical features, such as a maintenance-free battery, a side stand indicator, and an easily accessible fuel tank with a capacity of 9.1 liters. Additionally, the availability of alloy wheels and tubeless tires in select variants adds to its overall value. The bike's lightweight build further improves maneuverability, making it easy to handle in heavy traffic. What sets the HF Deluxe apart is its affordability. With a competitive price tag, it offers excellent value for money without compromising on quality or performance. This has made it a top choice for first-time buyers, students, and daily commuters looking for a reliable and economical ride. In summary, the Hero HF Deluxe strikes a perfect balance between performance, style, and practicality. Its robust build, impressive mileage, and low maintenance costs make it a standout option in the entry-level commuter segment. Whether you're navigating through city streets or rural pathways, the HF Deluxe is a dependable companion that delivers on every front.